We need support so bad.
Yeah, we need to get this helicopter.
We've been stranded here for at least a month.
Yeah. It's kind of weird how we had 24 people and then they all died except for me.
Hate ambushes. Alright. Do you have any smoke that we can get the helicopter here?
I got this. This is the last chance.
This last one?
Yeah, we could at least try it.
Alright, this is...
Yeah,
hopefully it doesn't go out or anything. Yeah, I got a lighter. Okay. But it's almost out of fuel, so try to get it on there real good. Okay. Alright,
Just cover my back, okay?
I'll cover you with more in case a big squad comes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're almost home. What the? What? No! Let's get him. Hey, you. Hey, come on, yeah.
Not yet, fool.
You want some too?
I know you don't want none of me.
Okay, come on, get up. Got my leg good. Man, okay, let's go down the stairs. All right, now, let's go to that house. Hopefully we have some supply kits in there. It's really bad.